There is nothing more frustrating than having plans and having life just throw screwball after screwball at you. What is going on, everyone? I am back and I'm on the bike, and honestly this feels incredible. Unfortunately, I've had to wait almost 2 months to get out and do a decent ride. I had plans to do some rides this summer, some trips, and the beginning of summer would have been the excellent time to do that. But lo and behold, strained a muscle in my back, and that left me off the bike for about 6 weeks. Finally started feeling better. Beginning of July hit, and we got hit with like 3.5 weeks of rain, just back to back to back. I was able to get out on the bike a couple times just to test the back out, and felt amazing. And every time I'd go and get myself geared up, ready to go, we would get another day and a half worth of rain. Rain clears up, feeling pretty good, and just got busy with work, life, dealing with the house. Life sucks. Well, adulting sucks. Busted a move yesterday, took care of a bunch of stuff around the house, and went to go out earlier today, and it was hot and humid. And then I was just like, you know what, I still got time to go out on a ride. Jumped on the bike with a route and plan in mind, and well, let's just say I've already been on the bike for about an hour longer than I was planning on it, and that's okay. So how are y'all doing? I'm kind of curious, how has your riding season been? Right now we're closing in on the end of August. As I said, I am just getting out. I've got a few days off from work coming up here in the next couple weeks, and I plan on utilizing that as much as possible. But I'd like to know how your riding season's going. Just leave a comment down below. Were you able to take any big trips, any plans? I know Sturgis just got done here, and watching a lot of videos of people heading out to Sturgis, it's kind of driving me a little crazy. And then with some other events going on this fall that I'm not going to be able to get time off from work to do. Just wanted to get on here, say hello. I'm still around, back on the bike. We're going to try to do as much as possible. Got some video ideas coming up. Make sure you're subscribed. That way you know whenever I do put out a video. It is kind of sporadic, and unfortunately we're coming up at the end of the riding season and coming into winter, so it's going to be even harder. And click the little bell so you can get all the notifications for when these videos do come out. And hopefully we'll see you next week. Later.